How to remove someone from Telegram group without notification. In Telegram, when you remove someone from a group, Telegram does notify other members in the chat history. You cannot completely remove someone without any notification showing in the group. What happens when you remove someone is Telegram shows a message like John Doe was removed by the admin. So this message is visible to all group members. There is no setting in Telegram to turn this off. Now here are some workaround options. If you want the full control with no join leave message, consider converting the group to a channel or create one in a channel only admins can post. No system notifications appear for removals. It's better for one-way communication. Next is use slow mode or clear the history. If you want to make removal less noticeable, enable slow mode to reduce spam in the chat. Remove the user during a quiet time. So this is how you can simply remove someone without the group notification. And that's it. This is how you can remove someone from Telegram group without notification. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.